We got Jeff Satur, Rain Wedding. Let's get it. Are those chilies? He got such a nice voice. Bro, he looked a lot younger here. Is it the haircut? It might be the haircut. Oh shit, what happened? Oh, bro, that shot right there was so satisfying. Hold up, that was cold. I'd get him pregnant, bro. What the hell? Bro, how would that even work? What type of tree is this? This look cool. That's deep. Every day with you feels like a wedding again. I love the shots. Damn. Come on. I ain't gonna lie, Jeff. I'm waiting for somebody to come free my heart from jail too. Shit. I don't think I've reacted to this. At least not this visual. I haven't seen this visual before. Dancing in the trees. Bro, this country looks beautiful. Okay. That bit was smooth.